Hey guys, this is open box review for FUNTOUCH portable makeup mirror. The packaging box is very elegant. I really like the transient color design. It shows travel makeup mirror. Very good box. Let's see what's included in the beautiful box. First, you actually see the USB charging cable. One side is USB-A, the other side is mini USB charging. The battery is about 1000 milliamp hour. With fully charged, it can use continuously 1 to 2 hours, no problem. Here's welcome notes. Here's a menu, a very detailed, everything written in English. You can read it, good instruction, and also safety notes. And very detailed back and forth. Put it on the table. In terms this is a mirror. This is everything included in the package. The mirror is actually very compact size. I compare with Harry Potter book. You can see it's slightly smaller than the Harry Potter book. No problem, put it on your purse. Make sure you don't forget you peel off those film. You push one time, you got white lights. Second time, you get a warm light. Third time, you get natural light. And fourth time, they turn it off. Very compact size. You can see very light. You can put it in your purse, no problem. Good quality, 3 hours charging, no problem. I really like this product. 5 star from me. That's it. Thank you.